Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App Buy Now Pay Later feature. So first you need to do is open up your Cash App and navigate to the Discover tab, which look like magnifying glass icon. After this, simply browse Afterpay Merchant, Y, Afterpay Shop Hub, any store accepting Afterpay will work with Cash App Buy Now Pay Later, so including popular retailers like Nike, American Eagle, and Ulta Beauty. And then what you need to do is add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose the Pay in 4 option at checkout, allowing you to split the total into 4 equal payments. Complete the first payment during checkout, with the remaining 3 deducted automatically every 2 weeks from your linked Cash App account or Cash Card. So that's how you can use Cash App Pay Now or Pay Later option. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.